Designing your modern kit homes. The advent of kit homes has certainly changed the real estate landscape in more ways than one. People can now actually brag that they built their home on their own, with their own two hands without sounding like they've taken one drink too many. The fact that kit homes are also thought to be the best solution to the housing shortage problem has only added to its appeal. As far as design goes, kit homes offer a wide flexibility, something that most homeowners appreciate about it. While there are basically just 5 types of kit homes: geodesic, log homes, panelized homes, timber-framed and steel-framed homes, you can easily design these according to your preferences and requirements, without paying too much for the alterations you make. Talking of design, one of the most popular designs homeowners go for nowadays has nothing to do much with aesthetics but more on their health and well-being. We are of course talking about going green or opting for home designs that are sustainable, environment-friendly and energy-efficient. With everybody today being concerned about the planet and how to save it, very few have been able to actually go ahead and do something about it, but that has all changed with the rising popularity of kit homes.